Honorable chief guests, respected teachers, and my dear fellows, Assalamu alaikum. The topic of my speech is the condition of Muslim Ummah and the Muslim rulers in the current scenario. As we know, the condition of Palestine, India, and Sudan, where the human genocide is being done, especially against the Muslims. It is a regret that none of the Muslim leaders and the Muslim states have done anything to stop this genocide and inhuman act. We have also seen that the Muslim Ummah is still in a deep sleep while the other nations in Europe, continent America and the Far East came out of their houses and rolled their slogans against Zionism and the killing of innocent men, women and children. Many people still don't know who is a Zionist. In fact, Zionism is a political thought which allows the elite and the ruling class to invade the lands, grab all the wealth of the world and all the natural resources and minerals by hook and crook. This selfish greediness made all the Zionists the most cruel, cunning and the hated people in the world. Zionism doesn't care for the religion. They are different people from different religions who adopted Zionism theory and now they are so-called religious. A big number of Jews, Christians, Muslims and people from other religions have a Zionist thought. Actually, Zionism leads to the fitna of the Dajjal and unfortunately that the Muslims are still unaware of it. Being Muslims, we must go through the sayings of the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam about the signs of Qiyamah so that we could save our Iman and get rid of all the fitnas and practices of Antichrist. According to the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, it would be so much difficult to keep our true faith if we see the Dajjal. Nowadays, internet and Android cell phones are the easiest ways for the Dajjal to approach us. This is really a critical situation where we cannot leave all the modern resources of communication, but we ought to be of all the surroundings to keep ourselves safe. May Allah protect us all from the fitna of the Dajjal. Ameen. Thank you.